How to obtain your contactless Nigerian passport in Canada. In this video, I'll show you how to obtain your contactless Nigerian passport in Canada.
So to get started, first visit the Nigerian High Commission's website in Canada to download the passport application form. Fill it out and gather the necessary documents such as proof of Nigerian citizenship and a recent passport-sized photo. Next, schedule an appointment at the Nigerian High Commission. During your appointment, you'll submit your documents, pay the application fee, and provide biometric data for the contactless passport. Ensure that your biometric information is properly recorded to avoid delays. After your appointment, the High Commission will process your application and issue your contactless Nigerian passport. You'll receive updates via email or phone. Processing times may vary, so check the High Commission's website for the latest information. And that's how you obtain your contactless Nigerian passport in Canada.